I think a lot of what Kabbalah, and specifically this school, the Lurianic school, is doing is attempting to explain why our world is how it is. So what do they say? They basically say our physical world is a reflection of the divine world. And the fact that things are so messed up here means that things are not well in the spiritual realm either. That things are supposed to be in order. This tree, or however they were drawing it at that time, is meant to be perfect. It's meant to be, right? The Shefa flow, the divine wants to bring blessings to us all, right? But the pathways have been mixed up and confused and separated and lost. And so the Kabbalists of Tzfat in that era, the Lurianic Kabbalists, saw their role as putting the spiritual realm back together. So in their meditation work, they were not trying to fix, like, explicitly their inner lives. Their meditations, at least their intentions, were directed at repairing the cosmic realm. Because if the flow can be reestablished, if the tree can be in order, if Shekhinah and Tiferet are unified, right? If we can get to the well and the well is connected to the wellspring, then that's what's going to fix our world. So their understanding was not about fixing our world. Like Tikun Olam, which is a beloved sentiment in our Jewish world today, perhaps as a trope, slightly less beloved than it was 20 years ago. Like, you know what I mean? Like, there's a lot of people who've gotten disheartened by that term for a lot of reasons. But putting that aside, people today, when they say Tikkun Olam, they mean fixing the world physically, generally speaking. But the term was developed in Lurianic Kabbalah. It precedes that, but it really didn't mean much until Lurianic Kabbalah. Tikkun Olam in Lurianic Kabbalah means fixing the spiritual realm. That's what it's a spiritual process. The Hasidim took that and they made it more personal, more interior. That was more what they were doing, right? Like letting the plumbing of their own souls function more effectively inside themselves. But whatever where it's happening, I think is less important. It's all about, in this prior tradition, the work of healing society, if you will, is a spiritual job. And yes, we have to act in good ways, right? Mitzvot, right? Doing good, all of that. But the primary reason things are like they are is because the flow of blessings has been channeled in the wrong direction.